as you can see, I am in front of the AIMS gate. So today we are going to do a full detailed campus tour. So let's begin. This is the gate number 2, which is for the outdoor and the indoor patient. We are now entering by the gate number 1, which is for the faculties and the students. The first building that we see is the OPD building. It consists of the 5 floors in which the different departments are present. Let's have a closer look of that. This is the waiting area for the outdoor patients. Inside the OPD building, ground floor, we have Amrit Pharmacy, जो 24/7 open रहता है, and in the first floor also we have another one, as you can see here. OPD entrance के थोड़े दूर पे we get an connecting area between the OPD and the IPD, and here also we have the MS office. Now I'll be taking you to the Yatra canteen, which is mainly for the faculties, patient and their relatives, and also it provides food to the IPD admitted patients. And trust me, यहाँ का snacks बहुत tasty होता है. This is another entrance of the OPD building. Moving slightly right to it, there is an SBI bank and an ATM where we can withdraw cash in case of emergency and even in normal times. You must have noticed till now that यहाँ के सारे buildings almost similar दिखते हैं, and it's very common to get confused. So this is the emergency. Next there is the Dharmashala, and moving to the Ayush building, it has the infectious clinic as well as the psychiatry IPD. Next comes the nuclear medicine, which is soon to be fully functional. अगर आप लोगों ने यहाँ तक देख लिया है तो please do like, share and subscribe. Moving to the most important part, that is the academic buildings. Here is the College of the Nursing. This is what I wanted to see before coming to this college, and we have our classroom in LT3, which is in the 3rd floor. LT1 is for the first year students and LT5 is for the 3rd year students. Our practical classes are held in well-equipped laboratories in which we get exposure to various clinical procedures. And this is the administrative block, and this is where everything begins. Opposite to the administrative block, we have canteen and the library. And this is the place where we eat most of the time when we skip breakfast due to lack of time, especially in the morning. Now let's go to library, which is my second home. It is divided into 3 floors. Ground floor has 2 rooms and both of them are open till 12 o'clock night, and first floor it is open till 5 p.m. and the second floor it is open up to 9 p.m. Now let's move to the most beautiful building of AIMS Kalyani. मैं जब पहली बार आई थी I was like यार ये क्या है? It's the auditorium, and these are the hostels of the MBBS students. This was previously the UG Girls Hostel, and कुछ दिन पहले ही we shifted to another new hostel. Amenity Block 2 is the common mess for both boys and girls of the MBBS students. Here we are provided 4 meals a day, and also we have a counter where we can buy chips, drinks and ice creams. Let's now move to the hostel areas, and just beside the mess we have the UG Boys Hostel, which consists of the 12 floors, and यहाँ पे 2022 and 2023 बैच के लड़के रहते हैं. Next comes the PG Boys Hostel and the PG Girls Hostel, which are opposite facing to each other, and here stays our 2019, 20 and 21 batch. लास्ट बट नॉट द लिस्ट हमारा हॉस्टल है, एंड इसका अलग से एक वीडियो बनेगा. अभी हम जिम की तरफ जा रहे हैं. टिल देन लेट्स एंजॉय दिस ब्यूटीफुल स्काई. दिस इज द एमिनिटी हॉल 2, which is for the nursing students, and those छोटा छोटा building that you can see are the quarters of our faculties. Now let's move to the gym area. It consists of 2 rooms. The first room is basically for the yoga, and the second room is well equipped and you can do all the other exercises. And you know, people here are very motivated to come to gym. This is the front view of Atiti Griha, or in simple words, guest house. let's see what is there in the indoor games area. Starting with the table tennis, we have the foosball table, carom, and of course, how can I forget the badminton court? Everything here is air conditioned. We are now moving towards the end of this campus store, and this is the basketball court, and just beside it we have the volleyball court, and both of them are behind the old UG girls hostel, and this is the outdoor gym. This was the end of the campus tour. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. Till then, bye bye.